After days of questions and talk, Mark Golding, the leader of Jamaica's People's National Party, PNP, said he is a British citizen because his father, Sir John Golding, was British. This means Mark did not choose to become a British citizen, he got it from his father when he was born. In Jamaica, the law says British citizens and citizens of other Commonwealth countries can be in the Jamaican Parliament. But if someone becomes a citizen of another country by their own choice, they cannot be in Parliament. British citizenship by descent means you are a British citizen at birth if one of your parents is a British citizen by birth, naturalization, registration, or adoption. You do not need to apply or take an oath. You just need your birth certificate and your parents' citizenship papers to prove it. People who get citizenship this way usually cannot pass it to their kids born outside the UK, unless the other parent is British or the child is registered. So, in short, Mark Golding did not take oath of allegiance to become a British citizen.